The 2013 Chevrolet Malibu. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 40,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated door mirrors, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and rear side impact airbags, brake assist, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.